trying to write with the
Yes! Yes! People don't realize how hard it is to write with the mouse or even with the trackpad. And sometimes when I'm tutoring, I'll have kids share their screen and I'll make them write, and then they understand. So please don't worry. Don't get down on yourself, guys, when somebody else is doing a higher level than you. So what? That just means you're better at them than something else, right? Here. Caleb says we're going to add 2x and x. We can't do that yet. We got to come up with our standard equation first before we.
Bro said Nazi better go dead him. I said I will go to.
Okay, it is 180. Why?
Bro said go to Nazi.
Because if that one straight line wasn't there, the other one would be, and a straight line is 180.
Yes, when we look at this side right here, those two added together, they make a straight line, don't they? And we also know that a straight line is equal to 180 degrees.
He got hit in his head. At the top of the head. And there's nothing else fucking his head. He tells us where he got shot in the neglect. I have to keep on top of some six.
This angle plus.
Got in the V2 ICT. You know, with the R to the V and the O to the O to the O to the C.
Plus the other angle, which is 2x.
If I ever see a flock at the V,
alright, now
I'm gonna shoot 813.
Now what can we do? Jordan, you were close, but don't forget that other x there. Don't forget that percent. Yep, now we're going to add like terms, so let's do that. X and 2x go together. These two go together. And, different color, 34 and 2 go together. So let's combine all of those terms. Alright, well, x plus 2x becomes 3x. 34 plus 2 becomes 36. And then we still have those equal to 180. Alright, now what?
Thank you.
Now we're going to subtract 36. Okay. Alright, so 36 on this side disappear. Both of those disappear. Alright, what is 180 minus 36? 144. So 144 equals 3x. Okay. Alright, now what? Yep, now we're going to divide by 3. Alright, so that means that x is going to be equal. 3 goes into 14 4 times. That leaves a remainder of 2. 24. 3 goes into 24 8 times. So x is going to be equal to 48. Alright, how are we feeling so far? How are we feeling? Alright, let's go back to the thing here. Let's look at some more problems. Same thing here. Same thing here. We only had about 50% got this one correct.
Oh, with you.
The biggest thing here, what I think people are forgetting, is that word complementary. What does complementary mean that they're going to add up to be? 90. So if you know that both of these together are 90, one of them is 63, all you got to do is take 90 and 63, and that gives you 27. Okay? So, guys, I cannot suggest it enough. Write it down in your notes. Make a note on Word, on your computer, whatever you want to do. Complementary equals 90. Supplementary equals 180. Okay? Alright, let's keep going here. 91% got that correct. 64% got this correct. Alright, for this one, what do we do here? How do we know instantly? What do we do?
Add 4 and 7.
Add 4 and 7. What is 4 plus 7?
11.
11. Is 11 bigger than 15? Nope. So it's going to be no triangles can be made. That easy. Alright, let's go on down to the next one. Which line segments can be used to make a triangle? That's the one I just talked to you guys about. We had more got it wrong than correct. That's okay. But remember, all we got to do on that one is add up the 2 smaller sides and then see, are those bigger than the third side? Okay, so that's all you're going to do on those. Alright, the next one. This one we missed a lot. We had a lot of get this wrong. There are 2 sets here. Can we make a triangle? So if I add these 3 together, what should we get?
I knew I had to take a chance, but Dennis, Jordan.
Alita, the first one's going to be on Friday.
Scary, so.
Yes, we should add those together to get 180. When we add these three together, do we get 180?
Great. There's none. At least someone's already in the
Yeah, but I'm not in the competition. Take me on. No, those do not add up to be 180. So set A is no. We cannot do 180, or we cannot make a triangle. Why? Because it doesn't add up to 180. That's how you would explain that one. Okay. Set B, 52. Yes. No. Let's go to our handy dandy calculator. 54, because neither one added up to 180. And that's how you would explain it. You would just say neither add up to be 180. Okay?
We talked about earlier.
All right, let's keep going here. Most people got this question correct. Again, it's just which ones add up to be exactly 180. Okay? This one, which set of measurements side of the triangle? Again, add up to the two smaller ones and see, does it create a number bigger than the longest one? So this one would be no. This one would be yes, because 4 plus 6 is 10, which is greater than 8, so that one's yes. 7 plus 5 would be 12. That is not bigger than 13, so that's a no. And then this one, 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 is not bigger than 8, so that can't be a triangle either. Exact same thing. This is the exact same question. It's just without the unit, right? This one says centimeters. This one doesn't give a unit. You still do the same thing. Add up the two smaller and see if it's bigger than the biggest. 7 and 10. Okay? Alright, this one was kind of 50-50 on this one. Okay, so side length of 7 and 10 and a 90-degree angle. Alright, so here's my ruler, and I'm going to draw a, well, let me make this bigger actually first. Alright, so I'm going to make a line segment. That is, how long did the segment say? 10? Do another segment. That's 7. Okay? Alright. I could take this segment right here, and I could turn it like this, and then I could connect the dots, and that would make a triangle with it, right? That makes a triangle, and for that triangle, this side is 10 centimeters, and this side is 7 centimeters, right? Everybody agree with that? And this is 9, okay? But look what I can do, guys. Look what I can do. Can't I also make a different triangle that looks like this? Can't I make a triangle that has a 7 side down here and a 10 side going the other direction? Right, so I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to bring this one up, try to keep it the same length, and now we're going to connect the dots. Right, this is a different triangle, isn't it? Because down here is 7, up here is 10, and it's still got a 90-degree in it, right? So that's at least 2 triangles that we can make, because we can flip-flop the 2 shorter legs, it doesn't matter.
You put your body on
without affecting
lies.
Right? So that one we can make 2 or more. Not the infinite amount, we can only make 2 or more. Alright, let's keep going here. Which set of measurements could not represent the measurement of the angles? Again, add them up, make sure they add it to 180. Which sides form a unique triangle? Again, add up the 2 smaller numbers, make sure it's bigger than the third number, and you'll be good to go. Most people got that right, it looks like, for the most part. Alright, what about this one? This one was split 50-50. So let me copy this one.
Sorry.
You put the body.
Damien, please don't shut me out.
Alright, you guys tell me, what do we do here? What can we do?
What's wrong, Marcus?
Alright, why 180?
This is a straight line.
Yep, we see a straight line right here. This is a straight line, so we know it's going to be 180.
Actually.
All right, so 180. I'm going to write down 180. All right, what is 180?
I can't. We can't.
What's 180 equal to?
Enclosure?
5x plus x plus 18.
It was great.
Yep, it equals 5x plus x plus 18. So let's write that down. 5x plus x plus 18. Okay. Now what? Combine like terms. So let's combine 5x and x. So what is 5x plus 1x?
6x.
Okay, so let's replace that with 6x.
Alright, nah, that's
Alright, now what?
that big old.
Minus 18 on both sides. Alright, these go away, these disappear. Alright, what is 180 minus 18?
160.
160. Oh my gosh, this is like this. 162 equals 6x. Now what?
I looked at it. I think I can.
5 by 6.
Oh, 5 by 6 on both sides. Alright, so on the on the right hand side we get x. 16 goes in, or I'm sorry, 6 goes into 16 two times.